Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to update the Google Wallet app on your Android device. So let's get started. First, start by opening your device's App Store. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and navigate to your search bar and type Google Wallet. Hit search. Now locate the official app and tap on it. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap it and your phone will begin updating the app right away. Wait a few seconds for the update to finish. Once done, the latest version of Google Wallet will be ready to use. You can now tap Open to launch the updated app and use all the latest features. And that's how to update your Google Wallet app. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.